Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Stripe payment in your Replit application. So all you need to do is open Replit and then log into your account. Make sure you are logged into your account and then go to your apps. Then choose the app that you want to add Stripe to and then ask him to add a one-time Stripe payment. If you need a subscription or something else, you can ask him to add a subscription in Stripe and give him the subscription period, for example, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, and how much it costs and all the information he needs to know, and then send to the conversation. This will take some time. Okay, this actually requires a paid subscription. If you are already subscribed to that plan, you can ask him at one-time Stripe payment and he will give you a pop-up that will ask you to connect your Stripe account to Replit. So how you connect your Stripe account, basically you go to your Stripe and then you get your secret key and you paste it into Replit and Replit will create the rest. And then all you need to do is to check that Stripe page through the preview button, and then all you need to do is to republish your application, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.